Let me give you an example of a vendor who's been around for a long, long time, Spotfire. This is a visual analytics product that fits 10 or 20 different job titles and purposes and 10 or 20 different markets. So with that in mind, you need to provide context to the viewers. Is this appropriate for me or not? If I work in pharma, is this appropriate for me? If I work in finance, if I'm a data analyst versus an executive, I have two different, if you will, multiple perspectives that I might be interested in. Consider the following. Imagine that your town only has restaurants labeled restaurant and no designation of, okay, this is Chinese or Cambodian or Mexican or Aussie, steakhouse, or whatsoever. It just says restaurant. What would you do? Context is critical to invite the right people to see the right content.